Hey you guys, Liz here, and I want to take us on a little math lesson journey, and I hope you'll stick with me because I know math isn't everyone's favorite subject, but this math does involve money, so stick with me and maybe we'll learn something together. You might have seen some of my other videos or posts about this new free app that pays you on your location data. So it's not free money, but the app is free, and it's paying you on your data. So right now you might know that you already give away your data for free if you have one of these, or even a computer, a TV, probably even Alexa. I don't want her to respond. She's right over there. You probably know you're giving away your data for free. It's being bought, it's being sold, and this is how much you're seeing from it. So there's a brand new app launching probably next week, and it's decided to turn the tables on the data industry and put the cash back in your pocket. Now it's only looking for location, so it's not looking at your emails, pictures, anything else from your phone really, and it doesn't really even care about you when you're at home. It's just caring about your outings, when you're out and about, restaurants, shopping. And why does it care about those things? Well, investors want to know, where do we invest? Do we invest in Target or Walmart? Where do shoppers actually go? So this just helps investors to know where to invest, but the money goes to you for sharing your data. Now, it's anonymous, it's encrypted. Now the app just runs seamlessly in the background of your phone. You just download it and go. As long as it's on, you will get paid for your data. But there is an interactive tool too, and just go to YouTube and Google the app demo and you'll be able to find it there if you want to check it out. So why would you do this and how much can you get paid? Let's do some math. Let's say you're a free customer. Now, I'm not promising the moon here. You're not going to earn that much. If you just download the app and you're just a free customer, you're going to earn about $5 to $25 a month. So maybe you'll get a free cup of coffee off of that, or take your family to Chick-fil-A. So not a ton, but every dollar counts, right? And that's just for having the free app on your phone. But if you decide to share with any friends or family, you will get $1 per friend referred, and that recurs monthly. So an example one down here. Let's say I shared the app with 10 friends. I would earn $15 to $35 a month. Here in example two, let's say I referred the app to 50 friends. So now the 50 plus the 5 to 25, I'm earning $55 to $75 a month. So that's pretty good for a free app on my phone. Some people will share a little, some people will share a lot. And remember, sharing is caring. So you're not just sharing for yourself to get the money, you're sharing so that your friends can earn on their data too. Remember, power to the people, take back the money for our data. Okay, the second way to earn is completely optional. But if you look at the numbers, I think you'll see that it's actually a really powerful tool to earn a little bit more. So, what does it cost to become an optional affiliate? You already have the free app download on your phone. If you get in before the app launches as an affiliate, it's just $10 for the whole year. You pay for $10, it takes you for the whole year to be an affiliate. If you get in after the launch, it's $10 a month. Probably still a good price if you're sharing it a lot. But still, save yourself $110 and just get it in as an affiliate right now. Okay, so what do you earn? You earn the $5 to $25 a month, just like as a customer, $1 per friend. The new thing is you earn with friends of friends. So you're sharing it with your friends, you probably expect they'll share it with their friends too, right? Okay, so now you earn $1, and remember this is residual monthly for each friend that your friends refer as well. So remember example one where you just shared with 10 people? Let's say they shared with 3 people each. Now you, your 10 friends, and their 30 friends earn you $45 to $65 a month. In example two, you shared with 50 friends. We can probably assume they will share with about 3 friends each. That gets you to 150 friends of friends. So you, your 50 friends, and their 150 friends of friends, now you're earning $205 to $225 a month on your free app that cost you $10 to become an affiliate because you signed up and you were smart and you got in before the app launches. Now, there's another way to earn. Okay, the third way you can earn is to become a super affiliate. Now, you don't pay your way into becoming a super affiliate. You just become a super affiliate when you sign up 10 of your own affiliates. Remember, that's just 10 people that wanted to become an affiliate by spending $10. And they did it, remember, this month, this week probably, before the app launches. Okay, so they still earn the 5 to 25 on the data. They earn the $1 per friend and the $1 per friend of friend referred. But they also earn 50% of what their affiliates make on tiers 1 and 2. Remember, tier 1 is just your friends. Tier 2 is your friends of friends. Okay, so back to our examples. Let's check out example 1. So remember that you shared with your 10 friends. They shared with 30 friends. Let's say they shared with 6 to 7 people each, and they shared with 200 friends. So, and these are all affiliates that are sharing. So you earned $100. Let's say your affiliates, they combined got a check of $200. You make 100 of that because you made 50%. So then you're making $145 to $165 a month. Remember, you only spent $10 for this. But in example 2, let's say when you shared with your 50 friends and they shared with their 150, there were 600 people on board, or a $600 check that your affiliates got combined. Now you earn half of that, which is $300. So that means your monthly income for this month is $505 to $525, again, for a $10 app. Okay, so you can see how these numbers can get big. People are sharing. So if nobody shares, then you'll get your $5 to $25 a month on your data. But if you start sharing with friends, or you know some college students or some teenagers that are 16 and older, you know how good those people are on their phone, and it's available for anyone 16 and older. So they can start earning, they can share with their friends at college, they can start paying off their college maybe, or their cars. It's a great way to get a head start in life for the younger generation who are awesome and tech savvy at their phones. So you can share this as a charity. Maybe there's something that you want to raise money for, and you put it online and ask people to help download the app so they can raise money for the charity. So there's actually some ways you can get really creative with this. Let me tell you the last thing that I think is really actually the most exciting is that if you become a super affiliate, that means you just have those 10 affiliates that paid the $10. Now, when the app launches, people are going to be signing up for the app through the App Store. Some of them won't have a link. I have a link because I'm already signed up, and I send that to my people to sign up. But some people will just find the app in the App Store. They'll think, I want to earn money on my data instead of giving it away for free, and they'll download the app. These people are called orphans, and the App Store is going to send these people to the super affiliates. They're going to pool them, and they're going to divide them evenly amongst the super affiliates. That means if you're a super affiliate who just has 10 affiliates on your team, you now start getting free friends added to your team. That's free users and free dollars every single month just by being a super affiliate with your own 10 affiliates on your team. So become a super affiliate, share with 10 people who want to become affiliates, start getting free people from the App Store, and that's just, again, extra money in your pocket. I know a lot of people have struggled during the past year and a half, and a lot of people are looking for easy ways to make extra income. Maybe this won't become your career, and I hope that you don't quit your day job if you have something passionate that you love. I passionately love sharing about essential oils and not quitting my day job. But this is just an extra way to have a free app that just sits on your phone, and it becomes a bank for you. A bank that collects money and doesn't give any money away. So I hope this blesses you. I hope you download the app and you start earning from it, and it's a blessing to you and your family. Okay guys, this is Liz, and you can find me at Tapestri with an I.io/Liz Thompson. Tapestri with an I.io Liz Thompson. Have a great day. Bye.